Thank you kindly. All right. A little song about axe wielding maniac. All right.
Axe wielding 3, 4.
But he couldn't get no letter from his home. And he told me, oh Lordy my, couldn't get no letter from his home. All right. Oh, you should have been uptown when old Reuben's train went down. You could hear that whistle blow 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles away from home. You could hear that whistle blow 100 miles. Oh, Reuben got killed on that C&O line. You could hear the body never was found. Well, they found his head in the driver's wheel, about a mile and a half from town. It's a long steel rail. It's a short cross-eye, and I'm bound to get to heaven when I die. When it's oh me, oh Lordy my, I'm bound to get to heaven when I die. All right. Myself a blade, laid old Reuben in the shade, start a little graveyard of my own.